How much have I waited to say this line? Sorry, I don't know how to pronounce the name of this author. Hello cuties, I am Muskan and welcome to my YouTube channel. I have read 93 books this year, okay, and it's a huge deal with a full-time job. So without wasting any time, let me just tell you about my 6 most favorite books of this year. So the first one here we have is A Woman Is No Men. This book I have literally cried till 3 a.m. in the night, okay. I have cried so much after reading this book. It's based on the struggle of an immigrant woman. It's an incredible book, okay. If you love Thousand Splendid Suns or any other sad or emotional book, just read it, okay. Just believe me and just read it. Second one here we have is The Perfect Son. If you guys are the fan of this author, sorry I don't know how to pronounce the name of this author, but if you're the fan of this author, then you have to read this book, okay. It's one of the most underrated thrillers, and guys, the ending is just so good. Like, you're predicting about something, that this is gonna happen, this is gonna happen, this is gonna happen, and then something else just happened and you're like, what just happened, okay. So you have to read this book if you love thriller. Third one here we have is A Thousand Broken Pieces. It's the second part of a series, and I cannot tell you how much have I cried with this love story. I have cried, I have sobbed, I have judged my entire life existent after reading this book. It's an incredible love story. It will make you cry so much, but it will also take you on a journey which is different altogether. Just a disclaimer, if you really want to get a wholesome experience of this book, just read the first part as well. Only after reading the first part you have to read this book. Now the fourth one here we have is Hunting Adeline. I know, okay, I know. Don't judge me. I have judged myself enough for this book. But it is a dark romance and it's like my guilty pleasure reading, and I loved it. And I believe that you will also love it, okay? So just read it and don't judge me. Fifth one here we have The Striker by Anna Hogg, and oh boy, I can openly say that this is one of the best book of Anna Hogg, okay, like one of the best. It will make you feel giddy. It will make you feel, you know, kicking your feet in the air while reading a book. It's that kind of romance. I can bet you on this, it is somewhat also better than Twisted Love. I know it's a huge claim, but just believe me on that. Sixth book here we have is The Pearl That Broke Its Shell by Nadia Hashmi. And Nadia Hashmi is like, if she'll ever write anything, if she'll write ABC also, no, I'll go and read it. And I will be crying, oh my god, you have written so well, Nadia Hashmi. So she's like that for me, okay. And it is about women's struggle, feminism and everything. And I know it might sound very cliche, but believe me on this, it's an incredible story. It will make you feel very cry but warm at the same time. It's an incredible plot and you won't be able to keep this book down once you have started. I can bet you on this. Seventh we have Corrupt. Of course, it has to be a dark romance. So it is the first part of an entire series called Devil Knight, and it is written by Penelope Douglas. And if you know me, if you follow me on Instagram, then you know that I love and I love dark romance. So this is the first part. I am also currently reading the second part, and I can already tell you that this series is going to be one of my favorites, so you have to read it, okay. So this is it for today's video. I hope you like this video, and do let me know which one is your favorite read of 2024. Okay, bye.